Chicken's just trying to get some food, I think. Looking for a bug or something. It's going to come back this way. Or the other way. One of the two, right? Alright. She doesn't care. Uh-oh, wait, hold on. I think this is her again, but there's a couple that look like her, so I'm not too sure. And then this one's trying to come up on this other side here. Looking at me. Alright. And the dog not too crazy, but try to get it all. There we go. I think the chicken decided to move on to look for food. Something. Some little critter to eat. She likes this spot. Oh, girl. Yeah. Chicken over here. Oh, fingers on the way. All right. Keep an eye on everything here. I don't think anything's amazing happening here. But I'm on break. I'm actually cleaning the temple. I'm going to sweep it here in a minute.